Okay, so what's that?
You know what's going on, man? Your boy DS, man. Finna shoot this movie with Young Tay in this motherfucker. If you ain't know, you know what I'm saying? Finna talk my shit, pop my shit. You know what I'm saying? Running from this nigga ass. You know what I'm saying? You know what's going on. You see what's on me. See what's on me, bro. Woo!
Oh, shit. Hey, you got one too? Yeah, you one too. What happened?
Man, you look, this top head security, man. Bank security. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what they talking about, but they better be looking out for it.
We ain't fucking with the real police.
Oh, man. We just acting.
Hey, man, say, man.
Yeah.
I'm on their head, man. I got, hey,
Well,
look.
you got 12.
Man, look, I'm on their head.
You got 12.
He better not run from me.
I'm ready.
He better not run from me.
After I pop in his ass, when they drone gone. You see this drone? When they motherfucker here, I'm out that bitch, boy.
Hey, look, he got 100, but guess what? I got 17. I don't give a goddamn.
He better hope I shoot them all.
Look.
Cause I might say two, just in case he catch up.
Hey, look, put that gun down and fight like a man.
Hey, boy, you see me? I'm 150 pounds, but I'm 200 with this thing. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying.
He think I can't catch his ass though.
Hey, look.
I'm on his ass.
Hey, look, I run a 4-3, nigga.
Hey, guess what though? This bullet go faster than that. Hey, look. Make sure y'all go follow my nigga Mello.Ds on Instagram, man. Man, follow me too. Jigsaw Askari Films, man. We in this.
You know what I'm saying? Mello.Ds, man. Shout out to Askari, man. You know what's going on.
We good with them, bro. Y'all need to.
You know what I'm saying? If we got an umbrella, I can hold the camera on there and shoot, and y'all will be in the rain. We can knock it out. But
What about a jacket? Who wants to get a sweater? Maybe a shirt? Volunteers? Greatly appreciate it.
anything.
And the rain add for dramatic effect.
Man, that shit add a whole. Them niggas gotta go stop a bank robbery in the rain. You ain't never seen that on a movie. Ever. Which bank robbery movie that's in? For real.
It's gonna be in the vault.
And they ain't talking about.
It's gonna be in the
Hey,
vault.
Tom,
Real.
what we doing today, Tom?
Hey man, you know what I'm saying? Your access is granted because Askari is behind the lens. You know what I'm saying? That's the only reason. You dig? Yeah, the vault. Short film, you know what I'm saying, directed by Tone. I thought about this shit on a Thursday and booked this bitch on a Friday.
Woo!
You know what I'm saying? This shit was, hey, this is magical.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Goat Houze.
Shout out to all the talented motherfuckers that came out and fucked with a nigga, you know what I'm saying? Like-minded, think alike. Watch how this shit come together because all of us did this shit together. You know what I'm saying? They ain't never in their life seen as many black people and white people linked together on one project ever in their life. I swear to God, I promise.
Don't forget it's Puerto Rican.
Oh, we got some Latinos. Boricua. Wepa.
I'm trying to tell you. Oh, yeah?
Your mellow ass.
Man, make sure y'all go follow this shit, man. The vault coming soon, man. I'm trying to tell you. Directed by ToneTheGoat, man. I'm trying to tell you, we in this motherfucker, man.